Today, we are going to train your English voice with the present simple. We can ask questions in the present simple. Have a look at the sentence rule when the third person is plural. Plural means more than one, many. So the rule is how do plus the third person, plural, plus the verb. So sentence example 1, how do birds fly? So we use how do, third person, birds, plus the verb, fly. Sentence 2, how do elephants drink water? So we use how do, third person, plural, elephants, followed by the verb, drink water. Let's have a look at the sentence rule if the third person is singular, meaning one. We say, how does a, because a is one, third person, singular, plus the verb. So sentence 1 in the singular, how does a bird fly? Bird is singular, so how does a bird, third person, followed by the verb, fly. Sentence 2, singular, how does an elephant drink water? We have an elephant, which is the third person, and it's singular, only one elephant. So we say, how does an elephant, followed by the verb, drink water. So now we are going to answer these questions. If we are going to answer and it's plural, more than one, we have the third person plus the verb. So sentence 1, birds fly with their wings. So third person first, birds, because it's plural, followed by the verb, fly, and then the rest of the sentence. Sentence 2, elephants drink with their trunks. Elephants, plural third person, followed by the verb drink, and then the rest of the sentence. Now, if we answer and it's singular, the rule is third person, singular, plus verb, but now we are going to add an S to the verb. So have a look at sentence 1. A bird flies with its wings. So a bird is the third person singular, but now we say flies, okay? And we know that the Y falls away and we add IES, flies. That verb has an S, with its wings. Okay. Sentence 2, it flies with its wings. It is still third person singular, flies, verb, followed by an S, and then the rest of the sentence. Excellent job with present simple. Well done. Goodbye.